lecture 13. The topic is expert system. Okay. First, you will see the overview of expert system. Okay. For example, if there is a problem, okay, the problem is if in a mango field the plants were infected by certain diseases. Okay, so this is a problem. Okay, so to solve this problem, a farmer of the field can contact any expert in that field. Okay, to solve this problem, the expert implies a human being who can able to analyze the problem and find solution for this problem. Okay, so they are called human experts because they can able to analyze the problem and find solution. Okay, so if this problem can be solved by the computer without the help of human expert is called expert system. Okay, expert system is nothing but a computer program. Okay, a computer which can able to solve the problem without the help of human expert. Expert system definition. Okay, so it is an intelligent computer program that reproduce the problem solving ability of the human expert in specific area of domain. Okay, so these expert system are nothing but a software. Okay, that is these are called a set of programs that reproduce the problem solving ability of the human experts in specific area of domain. Okay, so here the domain is specific. Okay, not broad. Okay, the area is specific, and it is an artificial intelligence technique to imitate the human experts to the extent. Okay, so these expert system will come under the artificial intelligence technique. Okay, it was introduced by the Stanford University by Fegan Begum. Okay, so he is called the father of expert system. Okay, that Fegan Begum is called the father of expert system. It is an example of knowledge driven decision support system. Okay, so this expert system will come under the DSS. Okay, so DSS is a broad term. Okay, but the expert system is a narrow term. So this expert system will come under the knowledge driven DSS. And what are the importance of expert system? Okay, see why we want to create an expert system to solve problem, because the human experts are confined to only specific time period. Okay, the human being can be confined to only specific time period and location, but the ES, okay, expert system provide expertise on different location and at any time. Okay, this computer program can solve the problem at any time at any location. Okay, and then human experts are expensive or rare. Okay, some human experts are expensive or rare. Okay, or we want to pay more money. Okay, but the ES is okay, and human experts are subjected to emotional background. Okay, the human experts will be subjected to the emotional background, but the ES, okay, the expert system is a computer program, so it is not subjected to any emotion. And expert system and simultaneous availability of human expert at different location is difficult. Okay, so the human expert will not be available. The human expert will not be available simultaneously at all the places, but the ES, okay, expert system can be available simultaneously at all the places. Okay, so these are the importance of expert system. Okay, so because human experts are rare and then specific to time period and emotional. Okay, so due to this reason, we are creating an expert system to solve the problem.